Hey guys, welcome to Fire Foods. In today's video I'll be doing molten lava cake with chocolate pie crust. This dessert is absolutely delicious and very simple to make. So let me show you how to do it and let's make some fire foods. First, in a bowl add 1 stick of butter. You can use less butter for a healthier option if you want to. Then add 1 bar of your favorite chocolate. Put it into the microwave for 30 seconds until it melts. Stir the chocolate and the butter very well until it becomes super smooth and combine together just like this. Then in a separate bowl, add 3 eggs. Then add half teaspoon of vanilla extract and whisk together very well. Once you're done whisking the eggs, add about 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and keep mixing until the sugar is dissolved. Then add the chocolate mixture into the bowl and continue to mix it around. Finally, you'll need to add about 2 tablespoons of flour gradually until it's all dissolved. Get to this consistency, then you know it's ready for the next step. And for the next step, you're going to need a chocolate pie crust, which you can get at any convenience store. Then fill the crust with your chocolate mixture and make sure that it doesn't fill to the top, since we will flip it later. Put it into the oven on 400 degrees for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes are done, flip it onto a plate, then add some strawberries for garnish, some powdered sugar on top, a couple scoops of ice cream, and of course drizzle some chocolate syrup on top. Guys, look at the chocolate flowing from the center as we open the crust. It's one of the most addicting desserts you're going to eat. The creaminess from the chocolate, the ice cream, and the crunch from the chocolate crust goes perfectly together. So try this recipe and you won't regret it. And that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.